There are many things that make us unique, and at the very top of that list is our special sauce, aka it's the world's best citrus, carefully prepared to delight and fascinate the palate. It's only one of 100 different ingredients that we make by hand, but everything that we do is built around this one delicious taste. What's it made of, you ask? The answer can change day to day, with the season, and even with the occasion. This much we can share with our clients, but it always has only two ingredients, and that's fresh fruit and good sugar. Why does it taste so good? Well, number one, we're not reinventing the wheel here. Our recipes were polished by generations of care and revision, and faithfully reproducing what those before us have done so well turns out to be far more important than any invention or innovation that we might add. Number two, we've gotten a lot of practice, and you will too in time. What we found is that really old, really good methods are not easy to master, and there are no life hacks. We learn what we know the right way by doing it over and over and over again for years. Number three is that we're actually really lucky. If you didn't know, the Stanislaus County grows some of the best citrus on planet Earth, and we believe that we found some of the best of the best. We've spent countless hours perfecting our recipes and only share the results with the world when we know that they're going to be amazing and they're going to keep our clients booking us for years and years to come.